everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today we are diving deep into the Ferrari 812 Superfast GTS, a naturally aspirated V12 convertible that screams performance and elegance. Let's jump right in. Ferrari has always been about passion and performance, and the 812 Superfast GTS takes it to another level. From the aggressive front fascia to the sculpted aerodynamics, every line serves a purpose. The new model brings minor yet refined updates, including a revised front bumper for better cooling and improved aerodynamics. The classic long hood and short rear deck give it that unmistakable GT silhouette, but with the added thrill of a retractable hardtop. Now, let's talk about what makes this car a true Ferrari at its heart. Under the hood sits a 6.5-litre naturally aspirated V12, pushing out a mind-blowing 830 horsepower and 540 pounds-to-feet of torque. That means 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds and a top speed of over 211 miles per hour. No turbos, no electrification, just pure, unfiltered power. And that exhaust note, just listen to that roar. The engineers have fine-tuned the exhaust system for an even more aggressive sound, making it one of the best-sounding Ferraris ever. The 812 Superfast GTS isn't just about raw power. Ferrari's latest side-slip control 8.0 and four-wheel steering make this Grand Tourer incredibly agile for its size. The rear-wheel drive setup, combined with an advanced dual-clutch transmission, offers razor-sharp shifts and incredible grip, even when you're pushing it hard through corners. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cockpit designed for the ultimate driving experience. Ferrari keeps the interior driver focused, with a beautifully crafted steering wheel featuring all your essential controls. The digital instrument cluster is crisp, and while there's no massive infotainment screen like some modern cars, you get a sleek passenger display for added engagement. The seats are a perfect blend of comfort and performance, hugging you in place while still being comfortable for long drives. And of course, Ferrari lets you customize almost every inch of the interior to suit your personal taste. Now, let's be real, this isn't your daily grocery getter, but for a V12 supercar, it's surprisingly usable. The trunk is decently sized for a weekend getaway, and the improved ride quality makes it more livable than you'd expect. But let's be honest, you're buying this for the experience, not for practicality. The Ferrari 812 Superfast GTS is the ultimate expression of Ferrari's front-engine V12 legacy. It's loud, it's fast, and it's drop-dead gorgeous. With electric cars taking over, this might just be one of the last naturally aspirated V12 Ferraris we see, so if you're lucky enough to get one, consider it an instant classic. What do you think? Is the 812 Superfast GTS the ultimate Grand Tourer? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more incredible car content. See you in the next one.